James Michel Jewelry Reviews, is legit or a scam? James Michel Jewelry Reviews, is legit or a scam? If you're looking for affordable, trendy jewelry online, James Michel Jewelry might have caught your eye. But is this store legitimate, or is it a potential scam? Most people get this wrong by judging the site based solely on attractive product photos. The surprising truth is that James Michel Jewelry sells costume jewelry at budget-friendly prices. Many customers report receiving pieces that match their expectations, while a smaller group mentions delays, minor defects, or differences in color or size compared to the photos. You won't believe what happens next. The website offers secure checkout, but like any online store, it's essential to start with a small purchase to verify reliability. Reading reviews, checking return policies, and tracking your orders can help ensure a smooth shopping experience. In conclusion, James Michel Jewelry appears to be legitimate, but quality and delivery times may vary. For affordable, fashionable jewelry, it's worth trying cautiously. Always manage expectations, and you likely find pieces that suit your style without falling for a scam.